How to delete all viruses off your Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung devices are built with strong built-in security through Android and Samsung's own protection systems. In most cases, what people call a virus is actually a malicious app, browser pop-up, or notification spam, not a real virus like on a computer. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to completely clean your Samsung device, remove malware, stop pop-ups, and secure your phone properly in 2026. First, do you actually have a virus? Before deleting anything, understand this. On Android, real system level viruses are rare. Most problems are random pop up ads, your phone is infected, browser messages, apps installing themselves, battery draining fast, phone overheating, unknown apps you didn't install. And usually, this is caused by downloading apps outside the Play Store, clicking fake ads, and allowing notification spam from websites. Now let's fix everything step by step. So first of all, you want to restart your phone in safe mode. The safe mode disables third-party apps. This helps you see if the issue is caused by an app. So here's how you're going to do that. First of all, hold the power button and the volume button at the same time. Once you do that, you will see power off, restart, and emergency mode. Press and hold the power off option, and then you will be allowed to enter safe mode. Tap on safe mode and your phone will restart. The safe mode disables third-party app. This helps you see if the issue is caused by an app. Now once again, check around on your phone. Are the pop-ups gone? Is the phone smoother? Is the overheating reduced? If yes, then a third-party app is the problem. Next, delete any suspicious apps. So while you're still in the safe mode, go over to settings on your phone. So here we go. Let's click on our settings, tap on settings, and then once the settings open up, you want to scroll down and go all the way down to the apps. So go down, tap apps, and then over here you're going to view all your apps. You can also sort them. So if you click on the three dots up here at the corner, you can sort them either by size or default apps or any divisions. And you can also go over to the drop down and select either if you want to see all apps or just the enabled apps or just the disabled apps. So you could divide that. We're just going to look at all apps at once here. So scroll through all of your apps, look at them, look for any apps that you don't remember installing, look for any apps with strange names, and also any flashlight, cleaner, or booster apps as well. Look for apps with no icon, and then if you see any app which seems suspicious, then tap that suspicious app and then click on uninstall. In case if the uninstall is grayed out, tap device admin apps and then disable permissions and then uninstall. And that way you'll be able to remove every suspicious app. So when you click confirm, you'll be able to uninstall this app that you can see. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to follow the same process and get rid of all the suspicious apps that you see over here. So go ahead, keep going, scroll through all the different apps that you see. Make sure you find out all the suspicious ones, click on them, disable them, and don't rush through this process. Carefully go through all the different apps. Have another app here. Click on uninstall, install all the apps which you think are suspicious, which you don't remember downloading. Then just go back. Most virus problems are actually browser-based. So if you use Google Chrome or Samsung Internet, do this. Go over to Google Chrome or Samsung Internet, and then go over to the top right corner. Click on the three dots, go down and go over to settings. And then from settings, scroll down all the way and go over to site settings. And then from there again, scroll down and all the way go down and find where you see the pop-ups and redirects. So go over, tap on to pop-ups and redirects and make sure those are blocked. So if you toggle this, then it turns off, and then toggle it again and it's on. So right now the pop-ups and redirects are blocked, and then come back and then scroll down and go over to the intrusive ads. Now, these are also blocked or turned off. If you toggle this, it turns on, and then there we go. So the intrusive ads are turned off, and you don't want to entertain those either. This removes fake virus pop-ups, redirect malware, notification spam, and suspicious permission. And now if you open up your browser again, it should be clean. Next, what you can do is run the built-in Samsung Security Scan. Samsung devices include security scanning via the Samsung device care. So for that, go over to settings and then scroll down and go all the way over to device maintenance. So in device maintenance, you have the battery, storage, and memory. Tap on that. And then once you're on device maintenance here, you have the battery option, the performance mode, storage, memory, and a device security. So right now your phone has been scanned and it says that you have unnecessary files. So then you just want to click on fix now, tap fix now, and then those files will be dealt with. So this is dealing with the storage. If the storage is causing the phone to heat up, or if it's slowing down your phone, if it's not actually a virus, then this step is also important. So get the extra files removed, and now your phone is on 100% and the storage has been dealt with and your device has been optimized. So after dealing with the storage, you can move to the other options such as the battery, go over the battery, check how that is performing, and then you can also optimize that. You can also go to performance mode and then check if that is optimized or not. And then you have storage, which we just went over. After storage, you have memory. So go over the memory and you can even clean that. After memory, you have device security. So this is the place which is going to keep your device secure. It's going to scan the phone for any malware, any viruses, or anything which is compromising the security of your device. So tap on device optimization and then your device will be scanned. And here you can see that the phone is being scanned and it's going to check all the apps for any malware, any viruses, any problems concerned with your apps or anything on your phone. So the scan is going on and it's going to take a little while for this scan, but just keep waiting and make sure you complete that scan. And then you can view in the notifications that the device security is still being scanned and this is going to continue in the background. So just let that complete and remove anything which has been detected. Now, after that, another thing that you can do is make sure that your phone is updated, which is also a critical step. So just tap on settings again, go over to your settings, and then scroll all the way down over to software update. So here you're going to see software update, tap on that, and then here you'll see the option of download and update manually. So you can download and update your software manually. So just go ahead and download and install the security updates, patch vulnerabilities, and many infections happen because the phones are outdated. Always install Android security patches, One UI updates, and Google Play System updates. This strengthens the protection immediately. And then once it has been updated, go back. And then if problems continue, you need to go towards factory reset. So in settings, scroll down and tap on general management. In general management, you're going to scroll down and tap on reset. And reset, go over down to factory data reset, and in that way you will be able to factory reset your phone. So you'll carry out this step if the ads keep appearing, unknown apps reinstall, and your phone is extremely slow. Updating software, factory resetting if necessary, you can completely clean your device. Your Samsung phone is powerful and secure. It just needs proper settings and safe usage.